Hey everyone, I just wanted to show what has just arrived from Canada, directly from Elvado Grooming. This is they've been on the market for a long time in the shaving market, and we see many shaves of the day around on YouTube and reviews. And that's now my time to take a look at them. And I got the full set. I got the full the full list of products that they currently carry. So before I go into more details, but we have three sets of shaving soap and aftershave. Also, we have a beard balm, a pre-shave oil, and also beard care oil. Starting with the container, this is not as wide as other shaving soaps, but it's rather taller. And you can see nonetheless that there is a ton of soap, so 120 grams or 4 ounces. So it is a large tub of soap, although it's the opening here is not a wide one. And we can see the soap right here. So the fragrances that we have is Tower by State, Woodland Reserve, and Amalfi Breeze. The Tower by State is more of a floral one, so the notes are geranium, lavender, cedarwood. So it gives more a floral touch. Not, it is masculine, so we feel a bit more a floral base with the geranium, but also the lavender kicks in, so it's masculine, it's refreshing, it's a bright scent, and I mean, I would say also complex is a good scent. It's masculine, it's very pleasant to the smell. Next, we have the Woodland Reserve. This is more of the on the woody side, woody herbal side. Also, we can see the color and the pouring. This got some cedar wood, but it's a little bit. There's there is also a sweet touch, which is the sweet orange oil. So it gives like a also freshing herbal woody scent, but also very pleasant and very masculine. And lastly, we have the Amalfi Breeze, which is a bergamot, amber, vetiver, and patchouli. We can open. There's also lime zest. So this Italian lime, it's very, very refreshing. Opening. I do sense the lime. It's not overpowering. It's gentle, and I must say with this lime, and also I think suggested by the name, I get a sense of limoncello, that Italian drink, very refreshing and very, very nice scent indeed. So these are the soaps matching lotions. So this is alcohol free. There's shea butter, there's aloe vera, there is hamamelis water, so there's witch hazel. So there's a tons of good ingredients that will take good care of your skin and soothe your skin post shave. So also on the three fragrances. And then also in the Woodland Reserve, we've got two other products, which is the pre-shave oil or even beard care oil if you carry any facial hair. So this also all natural oil, no silicons, all 100% natural, with good ingredients to prep for their shave, give some more glide power, or even to soothe your nourish your beard and facial hair. And lastly, the Woodland Reserve, the beard balm. This is like this wax. So this gives not only hydration, but also gives a little bit more control to the beard. And yeah, and finally, still on the shaving side, a shaving brush. This is a synthetic 21 millimeter knot, and it is made in Germany. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I just wanted to show you, go a little bit on the scents, on the products, and as always, we'll see them in action in a future video in my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.